In this video, I have compiled a list of the top 5 best plunge routers in the market that are worth buying. So let's get started. Number 5. One look at this router, you would find out that it looks big and heavy as it is. The Tridon TRA-001 weighs about 13 pounds, and this is a product of its durable design. It is made from durable high-grade steel which is sturdy and performs heavy-duty operations. It has a 3.5 horsepower motor that is capable of rotating the blades from a speed of 8,000 revolutions per minute to 21,000 revolutions per minute. With this much power, there is no woodworking job this router cannot handle. Complex professional jobs require precisions. The Tridon TRA-001 comes with multifunctional fences that allow its users to have more control over accurate cuts. If you also have woodworking skills, you can make tiny cuts as well. Aside from the automatic spindle lock, this model of Tridon also has a micro winder and a single button switch. This feature allows you to make depth adjustments. You can also change the speed depending on the cut you are going to make. For the reduction of dust ingestion, the side vents are also implemented on this device. If you are careful about the safety of the project you are working on, you would be glad this router has a safety switch shutter lock. This design blocks the motor while users are changing the modes. For professionals, the Tridon TRA-001 proves to be profitable and recommended for use. Number 4. Swapping to a cordless plunge router might be the move of the future, as many DIYers will enjoy not having to worry about tripping over a cord. For those on board, the Makita XTR01T7 18V LXT brushless cordless router kit might be of interest. This kit features a cordless router with both fixed and plunge bases, as well as a 5.0Ah battery, charger, edge guide, and hard carrying case. This cordless router features a top speed of 30,000 RTMS, giving it more speed than most corded models. It features an electronically controlled brushless motor that will modulate output based on material density for smooth, consistent results. The bases have micro and macro adjustments for dialing in the correct depth, and the on-off button locks to prevent accidental starts. Dual LED lights make seeing the workpiece convenient, as well. As far as inconvenience goes, the only thing worth mentioning is this model only accepts 1/4-inch router bits. Number 3. The Festool 574692 offers a swiveling chip deflector that can be utilized with different chips to curve around corners. A special feature on the Festool is that it has integrated dust extraction ports, so your visibility is increased, and there isn't as much cleanup after. Anything that saves time is extremely valuable. The Festool has ergonomic handles to increase control and decrease fatigue. You are able to work the switches using just one hand, which is ideal for those detailed projects. The Festool has a powerful engine that will not stall or wind down mid-job. It's ready for any project that you can dream up. The thing that will require getting used to is the fact that the hand placement is not like traditional routers. In addition, the hand grips themselves could be better designed. And for the hefty price, we would expect this to be perfect. Number 2. DEWALT Router Fixed Plunge Base Kit is a beautiful addition to any woodworking project. In fact, we think it is one of the best plunge routers for the money. The DEWALT has a powerful motor and will cut through anything that you need it to. The variable speed control is excellent for a smooth transition between applications. The addition of LED lights makes it easy to see what you all are doing for the most precision possible on delicate jobs. The adjustable base provides ease with different feeds and cutting. The base incorporates optimum control of base depth cutting. The DEWALT is made of sturdy aluminum, which makes it durable in the most rugged environments. The downfall is that the parts do tend to get hot if they are run for a significant period of time. Number 1. Bosch 1617 EVSPK Wood Router Tool Combo Kit is one of the best plunge routers on the market. For the price, you really couldn't ask for more versatility. The Bosch is able to perform a mass range of applications from precise bit plunging to slot cutting and even laminate trimming and dovetail cutting. You will be hard-pressed to find better durability than aluminum construction. This router is popular due to its ease of use and sense of control you have while using it. There is a built-in circuitry allowing for constant motion, so it doesn't stall in the middle of your project and promotes accuracy with a consistent speed in cutting. The Bosch kit comes fully stocked with a fixed base, wrenches, and even a carrying case. The main thing that requires some attention is the instructions were tough to decipher. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.